When people think of electronics, they think of the same thing every time. They think of a device that contains a lot of information and that is very hard. Penn State is trying to change the way we think about our mobile devices, though. The university is working on flexible electronics. Researchers at Penn State have been working hard in labs at the university's Materials Research Institute. With the new technology, Penn State electrical engineering professor Chris Gubash states how with flexible electronics we can have entirely new designs for displays that could go on our televisions or cell phones.
Prominent thing that you'll see coming out soon are flexible displays. So things like flat panel screens, but the thickness of potentially down to a couple of human hairs. So there's at a Consumer Electronics show, this might have been 2 years ago, but Toshiba came out with a flexible electronic display, so basically a mini TV screen, but it was 40 microns thick, and so that's about the thickness of a human hair.
Researchers also state that flexible electronics may be cheaper to make. Conventional semiconductors require complex processes and take multi-billion-dollar foundries. With flexible electronics, though, researchers hope they can print flexible electronics on plastic film like how we print ink on newspapers. Penn State researchers are also hoping this technology could change the medical field. They hope that this technology could become useful for removing tumors from a patient's failing organs. By inserting a flexible circuit onto the organ, it could release medicine directly onto that spot. Dow Chemical Company is also helping provide some of the research and manpower for this new technology. Chemical engineering professor Enrique Gomez explains.
Part of our efforts are supported with the Dow Chemical Company. And so as Professor Jackson mentioned, actually Dow is very interested in this particular topic, and they're working with us in a partnership to try to develop the next generation materials for flexible electronics or materials processes or what have you.
While the work for this technology is in its early stages, some researchers believe we can start seeing flexible electronics in the next 5 to 10 years. With the new technology of flexible electronics, soon our mobile devices, such as this one here, may actually turn into something that goes around your wrist like a watch. Reporting from State College, I'm Tim Gubash.